welcome to Hard Rock Cabo San Lucas. We're finally here. As you come in, I know it's been a long trip. We're gonna ask you for a vaccination card or your crowd pass check to be approved. Once you're approved, come right in. Nino, the bartender, will fix you a lovely cocktail of choice. We have a great photo opportunity. Find a Hollywood fame over to my right. Get your ceviche and your guacamole. Let's have a great time tonight.
To be here and to host you today. We love being able to partner with you. Relationships is what means the most to us. And we know that relationships matter, and that's key to being able to have a successful partnership with our HPN Association. So thank you.
That sounds great. And I was going to touch on the relationship part of it too. Also the culture of HPN. So much fun, and it just ties into the relationship thing. I have a collection of HPN flip-flops at my house in Mesa, Arizona, 25-minute drive from where your headquarters are. And during the pandemic, when I was laid off but came back, every single day I would throw on my HPN flip-flops and drink champagne in the pool. So I thought I can say I thought about you guys every single day.
That's right. Thank you so much. Thank you for being here with us.
We're here with our friends at Marriott International at the 2021 HPN Global Annual Partner Conference. We couldn't be more happy to be here with our friends at Marriott who hosted us on this beautiful boat. And we're in Cabo. Like, look around. This is the power of networking. We're so thrilled to be out here. And a big thank you to our friends at Marriott for hosting us today. And let's talk about the future of in-person meetings. We're in Cabo, baby!